Keeping the rain off your helmet visor is vital for visibility if you're caught in the rain. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to apply rainx to a motorcycle helmet visor. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos like this and tips to help keep you safe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more. Let's go! After having much success in the car world, rainx brought their technology to treating plastic surfaces, not just glass windshields anymore. I've been using this product for nearly 2 years now, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. Be sure to stick around till the end when I do a comparison of having it applied versus not. Okay, let's apply it now. So make sure your helmet visor is clean before you begin applying. The first step is to shake the rainx bottle well before use. Spray it directly onto the plastic or onto a clean cloth. Then simply wipe it off and buff it clean. Now they do recommend that you use a cotton cloth for this versus a paper towel. Paper towels tend to soak up too much of the product and will make it less effective. So here's a quick test with it applied versus not having it applied. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.